Hey everyone, welcome back again. In this video, I am going to show you how to unblock a number on your Android phone. You can follow this simple guide easily. Two easy way to unblock a number. So let's get started. First, take your phone, open the default phone dialer app. This is the app if you want to use receive or make call. After that, at the bottom menu bar, you can find the recent section. Simply tap on it. Now here you can see all of the call history listed there. Find the exact phone number it is currently blocked if you want to easily unblock them. For example, at the very top of the number, this is I am currently blocked, so unblock it easily. To do that, simply tap on the number from the pop-up menu appear. Located the three line or menu icon, simply tap on it to open the page. After that, at the bottom section you can find the unblock option. Simply tap on it one, and right now you have successfully unblocked the number. However, keep in mind, if the number not be appear there recent section, don't worry, you can follow the next method. This time tap on the three dots more button at the top right corner. Here click on settings. Once you are in the call settings page, scroll down slowly, find the block numbers option, simply tap to open the page. After that, you can see the all of the previously blocked number appear there. Simply find the exact number. If you want to unblock, tap on the minus sign, then automatically unblock the number easily. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.